how's it going? Pretty good. I'm picking up an order for Kevin Durant. Okay, I've received a lot of requests about testing out food in Portland. And you know, when in Rome, or when in Portland, Oregon. Actually, can I just run the intro really quick? What's up, what's up, what's up? Okay, I did a couple videos just on life overall in Portland, Oregon since I moved out here a few months ago. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, people wanted to get the scoop on the best food that Portland had to offer. So today, we're gonna be going around and looking for the best pizza in Portland. I'll also be joined by High Yellow Ducky, who is quite the chef herself and probably has much more knowledge on world tastes for pizza than I do. But before we jump into that, remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like. It goes a very long way in helping this channel grow. And also be sure to join the Sneakerhead membership on this channel. It gives you all sorts of perks like increased chances to win sneaker giveaways. There are 2 milestones coming up in which we will be doing sneaker giveaways. One is for the 100th episode on this channel, and one is for the 2000th subscriber on this channel. So be sure to join that Sneakerhead membership. There is a link in the description. So yeah, now let's start the search for the best pizza that Portland has to offer. I should say though that I moved here from New York, so my bar for pizza is very high. So don't be alarmed if there's low scores on the pizzas. It's all relative to my universal scale. And of course, nothing can be perfect, right? We'll be trying a basic cheese slice at each of these pizzerias to give ourselves the best chance of comparing these places. First, we're headed out for some deep dish style pizza at Ranch PDX, located at 916 Northwest 21st Ave.
Oh my God, he almost hit me.
Yes, sir. And then dip it in some of their ranch sauce. They have tons of these that they put out. And bam.
Ew.
So what score would you give to that pizza?
A 6.
I would give this a 5.5. Not that it's bad. I think that it's actually some of the best pizza that I've had since moving here. But I do have a universal scale, and there's a lot of pizza to compare this to. So 5.5. Ranch PDX has a really cool environment. The people that work there are awesome, and they play some really dope music. So shout out to Eric for putting me onto this place. Now we're gonna go for a more traditional slice right down the block at Sizzle Pie. They're located at 926 West Burnside Street. Hey there.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. I'm picking up an order for Kevin Durant.
Okay.
It's hot. A 2. It tastes like public school lunch.
It's warm, I'll give it that, but there's really no flavor. So I gotta stay with a 3.5. Like I've said before, Portland isn't exactly known for their pizza, so I'm not expecting these places to rival New York City, but this next place should be able to compare judging by their name. We're taking a trip to Escape from New York Pizza, located at 622 Northwest 23rd Avenue. Woo!
I think I'll give this a 6.
Okay, yeah, this definitely does remind me a little bit more of New York style pizza. There's a little bit more flavor to it. It does have better definition than most of the pizzas. And look how big the pizza box actually is. Excuse the half-bitten slice in there, but this is what a pizza should be size-wise. I'm gonna give this a 7. Now that had a feel that was more comparable to New York City style pizza, but are we ready to say that Escape from New York Pizza is the best pizza in Portland? What I am ready to say is, remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment your grandma's name, all that good stuff. Okay, now a few people have mentioned this next place to me, and they swear up and down that they have a great pizza. We're headed to Apizza Scholls, located at 4741 Southeast Hawthorne Boulevard. Let's give this a shot.
I think it's really similar to New York pizza. They even have the cornmeal on the bottom, and it's a nice crust. The sauce is, I'm not gonna give it a 10, but it's definitely an 8.5 or a 9.
There's a rich flavor to it. The texture is really, really good. The crust isn't too hard. I was a little worried about the crust, but it's not too hard. Everything seems on point. I'm gonna give Apizza Scholls an 8 because I ate this pizza. And just like that, the so-called New York pizza has been topped. But we still have one more pizzeria to visit before crowning anyone the best pizza in Portland. We're gonna take a trip out to Montgomery Park and visit Pizza Thief, located at 2610 Northwest Vaughn Street.
Ew. It smells. This would have to be, oh my god, sorry. I'll give it a 1.
It definitely has a smell and a taste that matches the smell. It's also very thin, and the backside of it looks kind of sickly. I would give this a 1.5. All right, maybe I could have saved my $3.75 for that slice. They really are pizza thieves. I want my money back. But I think it's safe to say that the best pizza in Portland, Oregon belongs to Apizza Scholls. It's super tasty, flavorful, and I think it stands out above the other pizzas that I've tasted since moving here. It was weird eating all that pizza in the past 2 days, so I'm definitely happy that this experiment is over, but I must admit, it was a lot of fun. Some people have also asked about burgers here in Portland, so let me know in the comments section if you guys would be interested in seeing a video on the best burgers in Portland, Oregon. Thank you all for tuning in and watching. I will say it again, remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you want to go above and beyond with helping the channel and yourself, join the Sneakerhead membership. You will get increased chances in these sneaker giveaways, and you'll also get to use the member badges. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.